Chetan Shah, sir, is the most experienced cyclist. Please. Founder of Mumbai Cycling Enthusiasts, the biggest cycling group that we have, Chetan sir has united the entirety of MMR group, MMR core admin club. We are all together under his leadership. In terms of consistency, numbers speak. Sir has completed more than 1,20,000 kilometers and counting. His consistency speaks volumes about it. I would sincerely request you to check on YouTube. Chetan Shah sir has a few podcasts. If I go to share all of his experiences and all of the things on how he has inspired, it will really take me an entire 2 to 3 hours plus of the entire day, you can say. It is to that extent sir has done valuable contributions. The most important contribution which sir has made for the safety of cyclists is 4 feet for cyclists. So Chetan sir has been leading the safety campaign of 4 feet for cyclists. As cyclists ourselves, safety starts from us. When we are a driver, when we are not cycling, we should also ensure that we are giving space to other cyclists, and at the same time, we are the one who should be promoting safety for ourselves as well. So I present this award to Chetan Shah sir, and I'm sincerely and genuinely very happy to have him with us. We have the next award, which is Rising Star Award. I invite on the stage Harsh Patil. Here with us we have cyclists of different ages, from very young cyclists like Harsh to very senior to very experienced cyclists with us as well, who we will be calling shortly on the stage. So Harsh, from his schooling level, so he is in 11th right now. He started cycling with us, joining on community rides, and he transitioned to taking part at DSO level competitions which are organized at the school level. He qualified and he has inched all his way up to qualifying for nationals, for states and nationals. Next, I would like to call upon Ayush sir. Ayush sir has just recently taken up cycling. He started off this year, and he has been very inspiring. Personally speaking, it is just recent that he did the Pandharpur Cycle Wali ride, 250 km cycling. By just starting out this year, it shows you the power. If you have the belief in yourself, then you can conquer any of the distances that you can. Stage Umang Kothari. Umang bhai has been a regular cyclist with us. He goes by the name of Cycling Diwana on Instagram. He at the same time covers his daily cycling routine, his daily rides, and we cannot be more than happy to have you promoting sports, the sport of cycling, the sport of MTB off-roading with us. Next, I would like to call upon stage Miss Kiran Ram.
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। मैं किरण। मैंने साइकिलिंग एज द एज ऑफ 50 स्टार्ट की और अब तक मैंने 22,000 किलोमीटर्स कंप्लीट किए हैं। इसमें मैंने DRM किया है ये साल मैंने वडोदरा से 200 किलोमीटर का। जस्ट देखने के लिए, मुझे लोगों को प्रूव नहीं करना है, मैं अपनी खुशी के लिए करती हूँ। वर्चुअल कॉन्टेस्ट मैंने बहुत पोडियम जीते हैं और वीरा भाईंदर में किला साइक्लोथॉन था, उसमें मैंने मेरी एज कैटेगरी में फर्स्ट प्राइज जीता था। तो मैं यही कहूँगी, मुझे लोगों ने कहा था कि आप बहुत जल्दी सपने देख रहे हो, बहुत जल्दी उड़ रहे हो, तो मैंने उनसे यही कहा था कि सपने देखोगे तो ही पूरे होंगे, उसके लिए कोई उम्र नहीं होती है। जब मन किया स्टार्ट करो, तो मैंने स्टार्ट किया है, कोई भी स्टार्ट कर सकता है, मुश्किल नहीं है। लोगों के लिए सेंचुरी, फर्स्ट सेंचुरी बहुत मायने रखती है। मैंने भी बहुत लोगों से कहा था मुझे सेंचुरी कराइए, बट लोग नए लोगों को लेकर नहीं जाना चाहते हैं। हमारे यहाँ पे बैठे हैं एडवर्ड, मैंने फर्स्ट सेंचुरी एडवर्ड के साथ की थी, वो भी साइकिल का स्टार्ट किया था उसके 2 महीने के अंदर, और अब तक मैंने 30+ सेंचुरी कर चुकी हूँ और 50 तो पता नहीं। बहुत कॉन्टेस्ट किए हैं, महीने में मैंने 2,300 किलोमीटर साइकिलिंग भी की है। अब तक मेरा 22,000 कंप्लीट हो चुका है। और मैं यही कहूंगी, उम्र कोई मायने नहीं रखती है, हौसला होना चाहिए, सपने देखोगे तो पूरे होंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Next up on the stage, I would like to invite someone who has been a part of the community since very long. It is one sport into cycling which all of us really like to observe, but at the same time हमें उसके बारे में बहुत कम पता है। इसका अवेयरनेस हमारे इंडिया में एथलीट्स भी है, पर हमें उसके बारे में उतना ज़्यादा पता नहीं है। That is the sport of BMX. We have the pioneer, the instrument person, Deepak Panchal with us. I would like to invite you, Deepak bhai, to please.
Okay, thank you Puru for inviting me. Thank you Anil sir, who's behind over there busy right now, so he had invited me. My name is Deepak. I don't know, many of you all might be knowing me, might not be knowing me, but first and foremost, I run a very small but a very specialized bike shop back in South Bombay, which caters to high-end bikes. That is my profession. But why did it become my profession? That is, हे एक छंद होता सायकल चालवायचं. पण लहानपणे I come from a very mid-range background where privileges were not so great, but we had whatever we had. Luckily, my brother in 1998, he had a bicycle. He used to pop wheelies on bicycles. Everyone knows here what wheelies are, right? So my first inspiration to getting into extreme sports was my brother. 98, 99, there was not much happening, very little bit of internet access also. So I used to imitate my brother and try and do wheelies and all, but it was not really happening until I met. Okay, and that's how my BMX journey started. Now when I say the word BMX, it stands for bicycle motocross. It is a discipline in cycling which basically involves a lot of acrobatics, a lot of jumps, a lot of balancing tricks and all. It is majorly a urban youth sport across the world, which somehow we got involved into. And as a kid, we didn't have much to do back in that day, except for getting the wrong kind of influence and being in wrong company and all. And BMX is what has saved me and a couple of my friends who were on the verge of getting onto the wrong side of life. And because BMX riding, I have traveled across the country showing this amazing sport to all the kids, inspiring kids to pick up cycling rather than doing all the wrong things what the youth generally gets influenced by. And since the past maybe 15-18 years, we have been very proactively promoting BMX, getting more and more youth involved, doing grassroots level events for BMX, teaching kids, and trying to just popularize this sport in a way where it gets out to people. It is not very dangerous because we are trying to execute everything in a very controlled environment, and we are trying to promote everything in a very safe manner. Now, when we organize competitions and all, we've done small jams where we invite kids, try to help them learn, invite their parents as well, and explain to them the kind of safety and precautions that we take, and during the sport that no one should get injured, or you're not supposed to go crazy on the road and jump over cars and stuff. That is insane. So we've just been trying to help promote the sport since a very long time, and thank you Decathlon, thank you Guru for having me on this stage and letting me talk about my sport. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepak bhai. BMX is an extreme sport. I would really sincerely request you to just check Deepak Panchal Instagram profile to know more about the sport. We call upon stage is someone who many of you know, of whom many of you would be a fan of. He is none another but our very own Dheeraj Santra. So to talk a bit about Dheeraj, so Dheeraj is also a fellow decathlete. He serves the project, he works at Decathlon Malad. He has been successfully leading a community, DCC Malad, engaging the entire suburbs of the Western Line with all of his cycling events and engaging people to be regular, to make cycling more fun, more interesting. And we thank you for all of your efforts that you do in organizing events and all of the rides and motivating teammates to ride at the same time as well. Do we have Chetan sir with us? I call up on stage Dilon. I call up on stage Dilon, leading the group of Sun Chasers. Dilon has been redefining cycling group activities. So the rides which the group Sun Chaser organizes is usually fast-paced. So he has redefined that cycling can be fun, but you can get a great workout at the same time with all of the fast-paced group rides that Dilon has. I at the same time invite Shweta ma'am on the stage as well. So Shweta ma'am also promotes cycling a lot, and now Shweta ma'am is a ward councillor. We are very happy to have you as a power couple and promote cycling and practice the sport of cycling together, helping each another to put out their best and ride together. I I would like to request Chetan sir on the stage, please.